how to search post on Threads app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to search posts on Instagram Threads easily and quickly. So let's get started. Open up your Threads app and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then at the bottom of the screen, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. This will open up the search page. Now, type the keywords related to the post. So, I want to share Rare Beauties post by Selena Gomez. So, I'll type in the keywords that I know and then hit search. Now, it will show me the top post and then you can go through it and scroll through the results to find the post that you're looking for. And that's it. To get better results, use specific keywords, try hashtags or trending topics, and follow the accounts related to your interest. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.